Well, hello there. Zach here with the Temporary Temp Agency, where we help you find a job you likely aren't even qualified for. Well, let's go check out the computer and see who's logged in today. Hello, are you there?
Bark,
Hello?
bark, bark.
Ah, there you are. Welcome to the Temporary Temp Agency. All right, well, I'm going to ask you a few questions. If you can just give me some answers, that would be helpful.
Bark, bark,
Okay. Name,
bark, bark, bark,
and what kind of work are you looking for?
bark.
I'm sorry, I don't think we have anything in that field.
Bark, 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 bark.
Oh, we do have one thing for you. The pay is paltry. The pay is cheap, though.
Bark, 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 bark,
What do you think?
bark.
All right, we'll sign you up.
Bark, bark.
And we'll see you next time.
Bark.
Thank you for stopping by the Temporary Temp Agency, where even our name is just written in chalkboard.